Hi once more. Thank you all for coming to listen to this beautiful video. Today we're going to be looking at a drink for the respiratory system, more specifically focusing on asthma. So fruits generally protect against asthma, while things that we do love so much like hamburger, sausage, they all get to promote it. So today we are going to look at a smoothie that is anti-asthmatic. So consumption of any type of fruit in general reduce the risk of asthma, especially apples and bananas. In a study that was conducted in Imperial College of London with more than 2,600 children that were between the age of 5 and 10, it was observed that children who consume at least one apple a day and one banana have fewer respiratory diseases, especially those related to asthma. On the other hand, another study was done with more than 18,000 children in the University of Milan in Italy, and it showed that those who consumed citrus fruits or a kiwi especially 4 to 7 times per week had fewer cases of respiratory infection and more specifically asthma attack. The protective effect of a citrus fruit or a kiwi is further evident in children prone to asthma attack. So the smoothie we're going to make, which is anti-asthmatic, accurately combine the fruits that are citrus, in which case we're going to use a kiwi fruit, and also an apple. So in my case we're going to use 2 apples, but if you have an apple juice, just a glass of apple juice is okay. So in my case I'm going to use 2 apple sliced, so I'm going to blend them out. But if you have an apple juice, the better. You can get to use a glass. So for children and adults, this smoothie is perfect. It's ideal for breakfast or in an afternoon for snack, and it can be more efficient for people that have asthma, especially during the winter season or cold. So the property of this smoothie is that it's anti-asthmatic, it's pectoral, it's anti-allergic, and above all, anyone can get to enjoy it. So the ingredients: we need 1 banana, and we're also going to use 1 kiwi. So we have a kiwi fruit. We're going to use ½ cup of water. This is going to assist our ingredients to blend out. So we're going to add ½ glass of water to help all this to blend out. But if at the end of the blending process it's thick, you can still get to add more water to this. So I'm going to go ahead and blend. So the first thing I'll do is I'll place the banana, kiwi and apple in a blender. So I'll blend it until we have a smooth consistent fluid. So I'll go ahead and start the blending. So after blending for around 5 minutes, this is what we have. Yeah, it's a beautiful smoothie. So it's anti-asthmatic. I'll serve this out into a cup. This is our smoothie. It's really beautiful and nutritious as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to get up to date with the most recent videos. And share so that your friends can also enjoy these beautiful recipes that we share. And bye bye till next time.